Meet Tessa Walker, our recruiter. For many recruiters, sourcing key critical talent means sorting through large numbers of applicants to find the best candidates, a cumbersome and time-consuming task. In addition, there can be a lack of qualified candidates for critical roles, like data scientists. And many times, the ones who apply are under or overqualified for the role in question. Lucky for Tessa, Best Run uses SAP SuccessFactors and their partner, Censia, to source critical roles within her organization. Censia's talent intelligence platform allows Tessa to quickly identify a ranked slate of qualified candidates in seconds versus the hours or even days that it used to take her. This frees up valuable time for Tessa to focus on the tasks that really matter, like taking the time to truly engage with the best candidates for the role in order to improve her own efficiency and at the same time offer better candidate experiences to help with creating the best brand image possible. Today, Tessa is looking to fill an opening for a junior data scientist. She locates the requisition that's been created in SuccessFactors and checks the details. She then does a quick review of the candidates who have applied for the opening. She sees that there are 5 applicants, but seeing as this is a critical role, she wants to extend the pool of candidates. SAP SuccessFactors is integrated with Censia, so Tessa quickly accesses it from her homepage. She locates the junior scientist's requisition and determines the types of candidates that should be included in the list. She can include inbound candidates, or those who have applied directly to the role, rediscovered candidates who may have applied to other SuccessFactors roles in recent years with Tessa or another recruiter on her team, rediscovered standalone candidates from the ATS, which will include those who have not applied for a specific opening, and even passive candidates from Cencia's database of over 500 million records. She then reviews the search criteria like commonly used position titles, suggested position titles, location of the open requisition, and preferred seniority levels. In what used to take hours, if not days, the algorithm helps look beyond the input keywords, actually discovering hidden pockets of talent through the use of AI, and returns a list of hundreds of stack-ranked candidates from both SuccessFactors and Censia. She sees that Dana Ricci applied for the position in SuccessFactors, but also sees that there are additional candidates that are also qualified for this position. From here, she can review the details about each one, but Tessa wants to see how they match up against the ideal candidate, a top performer, Diego Ramos. Linking directly to Diego's profile saves Tessa time from having to input the criteria one by one. So, in seconds, she has a more manageable list of candidates ranked against Diego's profile. The candidates from SuccessFactors include not only those who applied for this position, but also those who have been rediscovered. It also includes passive candidates from Cencia's database. As we refine the ideal candidate model, we are given new individuals to review, and as we do, we can easily add new dimensions based on the high-quality candidates who are ideally matched for the role in question. As she sculpts the model, Tessa can continue to refine her ideal candidate by quickly adjusting the filters. For example, she can include only the most relevant job titles or locations. She is used to searching for candidates using keywords and/or statements, which can make it tough to drill down and identify the best quality candidates for certain roles. With Censia, Tessa is able to teach the data model how to do that work for her by establishing importance to the skills. Must have, important, useful to the model. This means she gets larger pools of candidates of higher quality within minutes of approval. Tessa now has a targeted list of ideal junior data scientist candidates. She can view their resumes and make the determination as to whether or not to contact them for an interview. At this point, Tessa will probably want to migrate this ranked slate back into SuccessFactors. With a click, Tessa has now added the ideal list of candidates to the SuccessFactors requisition, and her team now has a single source from which to begin outreach and to aggregate new information that is generated from those conversations directly from within SuccessFactors. In just a matter of minutes, she has been able to create a list of the most qualified candidates for this critical position. Reducing time to hire gives recruiters the ability to focus on the tasks that matter, like engaging with the best candidate while also beating out competitors with much longer hiring times. But Tessa knows that this will not be the only junior data scientist she will be sourcing going forward. In fact, she has a couple of senior roles open now, And she knows that many of the attributes like education, background skills, and the like will be a great foundation for helping build a top-rate slate for any data scientist or a myriad of other roles closely aligned. Because of this, Censia has included the ability to clone your job recs. From the dashboard, just click on a role that you have refined and click Clone. In just the click of a button, Tessa has made strides in scaling her recruiting practice that could easily save her and her teammates hours a day. All of this seamlessly integrated into SuccessFactors.